अरे घूरना बंद करो, पहले सब्सक्राइब करो।
.37 The first cast of the new styles may be heavy, but it will soon be repaired by the saving in waste and by the immense sales which will follow. Business must be influenced by the fact of our having the best and cheapest and latest styles to show to customers, and we think they will endorse our hopes. We are seeking, also, to influence the big buyers to ask to see the new designs, and if they can be induced to look at them, we think business must follow. Exercise 38. The language of the young barrister in the case was most stately, and it must have influenced both judge and jury. It almost looked as if the case was lost at the first, because of the calm way in which the opposing counsel set out to state the facts for his side. But the young barrister faced the test fairly, and his language and style, though different, showed him to be a master of law and logic. We shall watch his career at the bar, and we think he must succeed because of his abilities.